Hello, I'm Godswill Sedem. I have a background in petroleum engineering and MSc in financial engineering, and I've worked as a teaching and research assistant. I've also worked as a production engineer at a refinery, and I've worked as a data scientist, and I currently work as an energy trainer, training in green innovations in oil and gas. So what actually inspired my journey was that, I realized that there was a point where you have a team where you need people to actually understand the data that you present and then the insight from the data that you present, as well as the decisions that it can influence. But then you have this team that not everybody comes from a data background, but they need some basic understanding of what this data can be used for and what the insights are used for, and then the usefulness of it. That is even at the management level. So I saw this Blossom Business Data Analytics program, and I realized that this program doesn't focus on the tools. There are other programs that focus on the tools, the usage of the tools, which I have benefited from in the past. That has helped me so many ways. But then this particular one, I saw that it focuses more on for decision makers and people who are not maybe experts at data but need the interpretation of data to take decisions. So I realized that this could be very beneficial to my team and the team leads that I also work with, who are not also who also do not have a data background, but also need this to actually understand my submissions as well. I believe the tech space is evolving, and I believe certifications such as the Blossom Business Data Analytics program is a perfect program for even those without a data analytics background, who do not even necessarily understand how to use the tools, but want to understand how to utilize the insight from these tools to drive their businesses, profit margin, and even optimize processes. For industry experts, I believe this is the perfect program that you can actually recommend to other teams in your company that do not have data backgrounds. And even for you as an expert, it can actually help you see the business side of data. I highly recommend the Blossom Pro CBD program because I'm a first-hand. I've experienced it firsthand. I've seen the impact it's done. I think it is worth the investment. It's worth the time. Yes, given there is AI also, but then I believe that AI is not supposed to replace, but actually to augment. And I believe knowledge from this program and the skills you acquire from this program, actually, when you augment with it, even AI tools, it even helps you even further drive your productivity, even help you even optimize the little processes in your various phases of industry or whatever you do in your processes that you are engaging. And I believe it is worth it, and it is worth the time. And Blossom Pro is actually doing a good thing with the delivery. So before taking the certification program, I was wondering if this is not any ordinary course I could have just taken online with some institution and be okay with it. But then I looked at the course content, and then I realized that it was so massive. It covered a lot, and I saw some of the instructors that were involved. I saw their background, and I realized that these are experts at what they are going to do. And what even gingered me was on the first day, I had a call from the administration that I have a class in the next 1 hour, and then they don't see me around campus. And I'm like, wow, these people actually mean business. So for a good program, I recommend that you sign up for the Blossom Pro CBDA program, and you'll never regret it. It's a good investment. It's worth the time. Take it or leave it. I tell you, you'll not regret it.